There has been a couple of changes on the Deriv website now, but today I want to talk to you specifically about one most important aspect of it. That is when it comes to depositing money into your Deriv trading account. Now, I want to specifically talk about one deposit method, which is using payment agents. Take notes, payment agents. So the focus of this video is on payment agents, right? So I'm going to tap on deposit over here, then I'm going to go down to view more, then I'll select the payment agent. Now this is the most important thing I want to share with you. When it comes to depositing using payment agent, initially we used to use what we call the CR number, which starts with CR and the numbers follow. That is what we used to use back then when it comes to depositing into Deriv account using payment agents. All right, but right now that is no more. We are now using what we call the Deriv nickname. You have your unique nickname available that you have to use right here. So whenever you want to deposit into your account using payment agent method, you have to copy this your unique nickname and send it to the specific payment agent that you are going to use, right? Myself, I have a couple of payment agents that I use. I have their contacts, and in case you want to deal with any of them, you can reach out to me and I'll give you their contact straightforward that you can deal with them, right? They are trustworthy. Yeah, let me put it that way. So you are no longer going to use Deriv ID or the CR number. You are rather going to use the Deriv nickname. So you just send the nickname to the person and also send the money to the person, the payment agent for that matter, and the payment agent will use your Deriv nickname to send the money straight to your Deriv account, and the money will appear in your account over here, right? It's as simple as that, right? It's as simple as that. And for those of you, in case this is just an additional part of the video, I want to add it to it, right? For those of you, in case you don't know how to move money from your wallet, your Deriv wallet, to your MT5 trading account, which is a CFDs that most of us use, you can come to portfolio at the down over here, then you just tap on transfer. As simple as that. Now you have this money. Let's say this is a 140 USD I want to push into my trading account. I'll go down here, tap on it, then select whichever account that I want to put the money into. If it is the CFDs, I'll just tap on this one, then I'll enter the amount. Let's say how much? Let's say $10. So I'm going to tap on it like this, then I just have to tap on transfer. All right, so yeah, if you want to transfer, you just go ahead and tap on transfer and you are good to go. For now, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to transfer the money yet. Okay, so yeah, basically that is it. So the most important thing you have to take note of is that when it comes to depositing, you are no longer when it comes to depositing via payment agents, you are no longer going to use the CR number. Instead, you are going to use the Deriv nickname. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more video. Don't forget to share this video with others and also be part of this family. In case you don't have an account with Deriv yet, there's a link in the video description. Go ahead, click it and sign up right now. Deriv is a platform that you can trade synthetic indices 24/7, every blessed day, and these synthetic indices are not affected by any news. You are good to trade with them using pure technical analysis. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bless